Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Yasin. Today I will make you realize regarding WS question. How can we make WS question by using WS word? We have known in the meantime the numbers of WS words. The number of WS words is 9. In the last classes I showed you regarding who, what and why. Today I will make you realize when do we use where to make WS question. WS what? WS word where? Where requires any place. Any place. At first we have to know the structure. Know the structure. WS word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. If you find, then the other part of sentence that plus the sign of interrogative. By using this structure, you can make any question by using WS word. Today we will make WS question by using where. For example, I can make you according to the structure. I can make you realize number 1. He lives in Dhaka. I have written a simple sentence. He lives in Dhaka. We have to make this sentence into interrogative by using where. In this sentence, if you find any mentioned place, you should use where to make this sentence into interrogative by using WS word where. So we have to relinquish at first from this sentence any place or any place. In Dhaka, Dhaka is the place, and where requires any place. So in the field of question, we have to write at first WS word, we know where, and after writing WS word, you should use helping verb. In this sentence, we are not finding any helping verbs. So as we are not finding any helping verb, we are getting in this sentence main verb. After this subject, we are getting main verb with S or es. After this subject, we are getting main verb with S or es, and this verb is the present form. So you have to take after where WS word does. You know the rule. After the subject, if you find out present form of the verb with S or es, you have to use does. If you do not find out any S or es with the verb after the subject, you have to use helping verb do. If you find out past form of the verb, you have to use helping verb did. So at first, according to the structure, we have written here where is the WS word, then helping verb. We are not finding any helping verb. We are getting in this sentence main verb live with S or es. That's why we have used here after WS word does, and then subject. We need subject. In the sentence, subject is he, and then main verb. We are getting in this sentence main verb live. Live is the base form or present form of the main verb. You should relinquish from this sentence from the verb S or es, because we are using here does. After do, did, does, we have to use present form of the base form, present form of the verb or base form of the verb. So when you will make any interrogative sentence by using WS word, you have to use at first WS word and then helping verb and then subject and the main verb, base form of the main verb. and at last you should use here the sign of interrogative. So the answer will be where does he live? The question will be where does he live, and the answer will be he lives in Dhaka. Where does he live? He lives in Dhaka. Dhaka is the answer. In Dhaka is the answer. So from this sentence you can use from the question subject verb. If you find out in the question does after WH word, you should use as or yes with the verb in the field of answer. If you find out do after WH word, you should use base form of the verb after the subject in the field of answer. If you find out did in the sentence, you should use after the subject past form of the main verb in the field of answer. So I think you have realized. I am making realize another example, number 2. Rana worked in a factory. Rana worked in a factory. Make this sentence into interrogative by using WH word. Today we are learning when do we use where. By using where, you can make an interrogative sentence, you can make WH question. So when you will use where, you must relinquish from this sentence place. The answer you have to relinquish from this sentence. The answer will be in a factory. This is the answer you have to relinquish, because this indicates place. So you should write in the field of interrogative at first WH word. We are using today WH word where. At first we are using where, and then after WH word we have written here, and after WH word we are getting helping verb. We have to use helping verb in this sentence. We are not finding any helping verb. We are finding main verb. Main verb work. Work is the main verb and past form of the main verb here. So you have to take did, and then subject Rana, and then present form of the verb work. At last the sign of interrogative. You have to relinquish from this sentence answer in a factory. This indicates a place. So so Rana worked in a factory. The question will be where did Rana work, and in the field of answer you must use subject and then past form of the verb, and you should mention any place, because because we are getting in this sentence where requires always, where always requires place. I am giving another example, example number 3. She is going to college. You have to make this sentence into interrogative by using where. At first we have to write here where, WH word, and we are getting in this sentence helping verb is. So we should not take do, did, does. If you find out in this sentence helping verb, am, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, shall, will, you, should, must, have, has, had, do, did, does, thus type of helping verb, if you find out in this sentence, you should not take do, did, does. If you find out helping verb, if you don't find out helping verb in this sentence, you have to take according to the tense do, did, or does. So in this sentence we are getting helping verb. Helping verb is, and then subject she, and then verb plus ing going. You have to relinquish from this sentence answer to college. To college indicates a place. That's why we have to relinquish from this sentence answer to college, and at last the sign of interrogative. The answer will be where is she going. The question will be where is she going, and the answer is she is going to college. When you will find where in the field of WH question, you must mention in the answer any place.